Simmer down. Understanding a common English phrase. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of English language and phrases. Today, we're diving into a very interesting expression, simmer down. This phrase is commonly used in everyday English, and understanding its meaning and usage can be incredibly helpful for English language learners. Let's get started. Simmer down originally comes from cooking terminology. When we simmer something, like a stew or a sauce, we reduce the heat so it's gently cooking without boiling. This concept has been adapted into everyday language to mean reducing one's anger or excitement. When someone says, simmer down, they're essentially asking another person to calm down or to lower their emotional intensity. Now, let's see how this phrase is used in real-life scenarios. 1. In arguments. If two people are arguing and one of them is getting very heated, the other might say, "Hey, simmer down. Let's talk about this calmly." 2. Among friends. It can be used in a lighter, more playful context among friends. For example, if someone is overly excited about something, a friend might jokingly say, "Simmer down, it's not that big of a deal." 3. In parenting. Parents often use this phrase with children who are throwing tantrums or are overexcited. Understanding the context is crucial as it changes the tone and intention behind the phrase. There are other phrases and idioms in English that convey a similar meaning. Cool it, take it easy, chill out. Each of these can be used in similar contexts but might carry slightly different connotations or be more appropriate in different situations. We hope this video helped you understand the phrase, simmer down. Remember, language is not just about words, but how they're used in context. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use simmer down in your conversations where appropriate. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.